Hey, welcome to the unboxing of the Roku Streaming Stick Plus. Here's a bunch of apps that are available according to the box, and for those of you that live in Canada, you might recognize that some of those apps are Canadian based, because it's pretty interesting that Roku has decided to mainly release this media player in Canada, not in the US, which I found very strange and peculiar, especially because the US has a much larger market for media streaming purchasing. But anyway, on the side of the boxes, it has some information regarding what's in the box, the contents itself, but we're going to go through it anyway, so it's all good. Just trying to figure out how to open this up. But anyway, it's going to be a compact media streamer stick, if you will, kind of a body type. But there it is. It's going to be really compact. And again, I'm not sure why this wasn't released in the US. Just still can't get over that. Just find that really bizarre. But anyway, here's the media player itself. Very small and compact, as you would expect. It's going to plug directly into the TV itself or monitor. Maybe use it on a computer monitor, I don't know. And that's the entire body itself attached with the HDMI port on the other end. And this seems to be like a button of some kind, most likely a factory reset button on the body itself, but not a big deal. And here's the quick start guide, it seems to be. And while I'm opening this up, I just want to mention I find it very strange that quick start guides are included in devices that are internet based. Why not just save the paper and tell people which URL to go to on a much smaller pamphlet? Is all this necessary? Nah. But anyway, that's just me. Just thinking about the environment. And speaking of the environment, here's some almost useless stickers. Some Roku, I love Roku stickers. I'm not sure why they include that with almost every media player, but Roku, I guess, want people to show the world how much they love Roku. And then here's a remote. This is a very familiar style of remotes designed by Roku. They usually look pretty much the same. Of course, this one might be a little bit different from some others, as it has the voice search button and the volume rocker on the right side, which will control the volume of your TV if it is compatible with this remote. So my understanding is that this is a Wi-Fi extender, and it's not USB-C based, unfortunately, and it connects into the power cable itself. So the power cable is this is the main wire, which is also not USB-C, unfortunately. And of course, you attach the other part, which will extend the Wi-Fi range of the media player itself as well. And of course, here's the power adapter that'll go into an outlet. And lastly, are a couple of batteries used to power the remote itself. And that's pretty much the unboxing. So be sure to check out the review video. Link to that will be in the video description. Check out my social links and website links in the video description as well. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.